Airbags are a great way to solve all of your towing problems. Towing a big trailer, hauling a big heavy load of material, just air up them bags and you're good to go. But every airbag, no matter what brand, comes with one major flaw. There are too many parts. With airbags, it's not a matter of just installing a set of bags on your truck. No, no, no. Once you buy those airbags, you're gonna need to decide whether or not you want an onboard air compressor. And if you do in fact want that onboard air compressor, then you're gonna need to invest in all of the hoses, the valves, and all the other paraphernalia that goes along with having that onboard air compressor. And therein lies the problem. Every time you add another component to your airbag kit, you add another component that risks failure. Compressor motors can cut out and fatigue, hoses can rot, valves can fail, not to mention the very fact that airbags can leak, which then causes your compressor to work overtime, which then can lead to more fatigue and more cutting out. And around the circle goes. And furthermore, each component is another cost that quickly begins to jack up the price of your airbag kit, all just to solve your towing and hauling problem. So with all of that being said, I want to show you something that will solve all of your towing and hauling problems without any of the additional parts. That means, number one, it's easier to install, like 20 to 30 minutes in your driveway easy. Number two, there are less parts, which means that there are less parts that can fail. And number three, it's cheaper. And let's be honest, with gas prices being what they are right now, who doesn't want to save a couple bucks? This is a Timbren SES kit. This is literally everything that you need to install this on your truck. There's no loud compressors and no leaky valves and hoses. And these things take away all of the guesswork out of how much air or what PSI to run your airbags at. SES kits have a progressive spring rate, which is just fancy engineering jargon that means the more weight you put on these, the harder they work to keep your truck level regardless of what you're towing or hauling. So one more time, these are way easier to install. There are less parts, which means that there's less opportunity for failure. They're more economical, so your significant other isn't going to complain about all that money you spend on your truck. And lastly, there's no more airing up or airing down to hit that perfect little PSI sweet spot because these SES kits do all of the thinking for you. SES kits are a simple set it and forget it product. So don't spend all those hard-earned dollars on airbags and all the other paraphernalia that goes along with it. Keep some money in your pocket and buy an SES kit. Oh, and one last thing. Timbren offers a no BS lifetime warranty, which means none of that fine print junk. And they offer a 100-day customer satisfaction guarantee. So go over to Timbren.com and get the kit for your truck to solve all of your towing and hauling problems right now.